are not permitted to enter restricted Albion areas. Trespassing is punishable.
Yep.
Recognition is required to keep the citizens of London safe. Obstructing or obscuring your face for any reason is a crime.
Utterly stupid.
Obeying Albion orders are safe. Right.
Have you got it? Yeah, right here. You won't be so patient next time. So careful, yeah? Albion's watching you. I know, I get it. Sorry.
For example, if we examine what actually happened, you know, there's a company that's really very interested in selling passports and making it easy to provide visas for investment and so on. And historically, throughout the world, they've been working with this big data manipulation company in order to overthrow governments. And then suddenly all the chickens came home to roost. Nobody could find any receipts for what was paid for. Nobody could figure out how things were done, but everybody had a feeling that something really stunk, and they couldn't figure it out. And yet, it was standing there in their face the whole time. There's a couple of different ways that we got where it is that we are. I mean, one, you have a lot of smaller organizations, smaller power groups, companies as well, who are bending things just a little. Oh, we'll compromise a little bit, we'll bend the rules a little bit, and
You are crossing an Albion checkpoint. The safety of the public is Albion's #1 priority. Obeying Albion orders.
Fucking Albion dogs think you're tough shit, innit? You're just some wanker that got paid to throw punches around, right?
Sorry?
This is not good.